Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Skincare Secrets. So I just got done with all the shoots for the day and now it's time to get rid of all of this makeup followed by my nighttime skincare routine. So guys, I cannot insist enough on how important it is to take off your makeup every single day and follow a religious skincare routine to make sure that you get that flawless and clear looking skin. So if you want to know my nighttime skincare routine, please keep on watching. So guys, this is it for today's video. This was my nighttime routine and I make sure I follow this every single day without fail. Now I know it might look like it took me forever to do this, but trust me guys, turn on your favorite show and it will be done in no time and you will be able to get the skin of your dreams. Now if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on amazing beauty products just by signing up for the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off MyGlamm products. The link is going to be in the description box below, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.